Hello, Lazy Rooster family. We are here at the free side of the Bahia Honda Bridge. We're going to check it out. Come with us.
We found a spot in the sand where we could lay low until the sun dips in the Gulf of Mexico. Yeah, baby, pack our bags, we're headed south.
Good afternoon, Lazy Rooster family. As you can see today, we're here at the little lesser known end of the Bahia Honda Bridge, and that would be the west end, or as I like to call it, the free end. As you can see, it's fun to explore. There's lots of neat things to search around in nooks and crannies to find little creatures and explore the beaches, do a little snorkeling. Bring a sandwich, bring a grill, bring the family. Good times are to be had.
And then across the street, the Sloppy Joe's, where we're probably gonna have a few more. And later on tonight, by the light of the moon.
Bahia Honda Bridge. The bridge between then and now. Out here in the Florida Keys, this isn't just a crossing, it's a survivor. Built over 100 years ago for Henry Flagler's Overseas Railroad, the Bahia Honda Bridge carried trains across open ocean. Today, it still stands, weathered, quiet, and proud, connecting us to a time when big dreams shaped these islands.
Never wanna leave the Florida Keys. Down in the Florida Keys, I wanna feel that breeze just blowing through my head. Got no worries, no cares, it makes me feel so free. Go on and play it for me. You'll hear that song on the wind. The sun kiss your skin. From Alvarado over to Marathon, from Key West to Key Largo, you can't go wrong. Just let the ocean wash away last night. Let a new day begin. Down in the Florida Keys. Y'all come along with me. I believe we'll never want to leave the Florida Keys. Down in the Florida Keys.